So now we need to watch this as the floor. It touched here, here, here. And even though it's not there, it is there. Just like right now, it is there. That is support. It doesn't have to be to the penny. And it did, but it is at support. See it?
Okay.
So yes, if you want to trade off support, you can. Just know that if it breaks down, you're coming back down to 461. Now, here's the good thing. If it does do that, you already know what the damage control is because you know if you buy 100 shares here and it goes to here, you already know what your loss could potentially be. So you get to monitor the size of the entry from that. Yes. So yeah, but right here, yes, this is called waiting in the weeds. This is the weeds on support, right? So this is where, okay, so right here, this is what I would do. I'd enter. There it goes. And there's the pop. There's the money, right? But you can do a starter position. What I did was a starter position. Is it going to pop? It did. You can see I can add a little more and you guys can see I'm in the green. There it goes. And there's another 10 bucks. And there it goes. But do you guys see how we got to do that? You got to see it real time, what it is, how, and look at what it did. Look at where it stopped. You see where each one of these bodies is? Now, guess what you just established immediately right here? This is resistance. See it?
Yep.
So body, 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 candle wick. So this is your channel. This is your trading channel. Yeah, sometimes it'll be the body and it really is, it's going to show us, and sometimes it'll be the wick. So here was wick, wick, double wicks. Other times it'll be body, body, body. So whatever it shows us is where people are sitting and where they are thinking. And you want to know why we don't always know if it's body or wick? This one's going to blow your mind. You ready? Because of that question that you just asked. Everybody else is thinking the same thing, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Everybody else is like, is it the body or the wick? Like, I don't know. We'll do the body. Oh, it's the wick.